A very good morning to you guys. This morning, I would like to share with you, and we will teach each other about the subject of exponents. Um, Exponents. So, what is this exponent? What it is? An exponent is a small number like 5, for example, or let's do it like this. Let's say, let's not put a number. Let's say x um, x is a base, and an exponent will be a small number like this number. Yeah, is a that is placed to the upper right of a base number, of which this one stands for exponent, and the x stands for the base. So a is an exponent, is the small number that is placed on top of the base on the right hand side. So, and then the base is the x. So what we need to know also about the exponent is that the exponent represents the number of times the base has to be multiplied by itself. In simple terms, it tells you how many times to multiply the base by itself. So, for example, let's take like that 5 as a base to the power 2. It means the base, it will multiply itself 2 times. This means you will say, for example, 5 multiplied by 5. So you multiply 5 by 5. This means you multiply it twice, because of the exponent tells you is to the power 2. So then the answer will be 25. So this is how you calculate your exponents. I will give you another example. I will give you a few examples. Another example will be, let's say 2 to the power 3. Okay, another thing is exponent, it is named with it has got different names. It's either you call it exponent, or some will call it power. That is why you heard me saying to the power. You can call it power, you can call it index, or you can call it order. So these are other names that are used for exponent. So don't be surprised if I say index or I say order. So when we say 2 as a base to the power 3, this means 2 must multiply itself 3 times, because it's to the power 3. So which will be equals to is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which it will give you 8. Then another example, let's say I don't wanna go do complicated things. We can say 2 to the power 4, which it will be, this means this 2, to make it simple, because you see here it's 2 multiplied itself 3 times. So this means this time around it will multiply itself 4 times. So is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which it is equals to 16. So I hope you learned a few things about exponents. This is just the basics. We're still gonna learn more and more when we get to other videos. For this particular video, I wanted to just show you what is an exponent. Just if you wanna explain an exponent, it is a number, a small number. An exponent is a small number that is placed on top of a base on the right hand side, on top. So you will see it is on top, basically, like the base is the 2, then the exponent is the 4 here on this 2 to the power 4. And the other names that you can use to talk about the exponent, the other names that are used is we say to the power, or index, or order. So you can also use those numbers instead of addressing the exponent. So I hope you understand the exponents now, and you will be able to calculate exponents when they give it to you. They give you a problem. Maybe they say they give you 3 to the power 3. It will be like this. Okay, sorry. It will be 3 to the power 3, which it tells you 3, it multiplies itself 3 times. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Then you get your answer. So this means 3 times. So I hope up to so far you know what is an exponent. I will tell you again. And we say, what do you say? We say the exponent represents the number of times the base has to be multiplied by itself. So it is just straightforward, just like that. I hope you join me on other videos, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. From me, Mr. Themani from Themaneentertainmentstreet. Enjoy your day.